Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Kerry. Today I'll be showing you this park blanket I made recently. For this blanket I used the Crochet baby blanket with picture panel pattern. If I made another one similar, I'd probably make the picture panel larger and then the edge a bit smaller to make it look a bit more balanced. I work 3 rows of single crochet around the panel and then again at the edge of the blanket using black, red and black again. I used 4 250-gram balls of Bendigo Woollen Mills 8-ply luxury yarn in baby mint for the main part and a small amount of each of black and love heart for the borders. I used a 5mm crochet hook, but I have quite tight tension. I use scissors, a darning needle to weave in the ends, sewing thread and needle to attach the appliques to the panel. The appliques I used were the lady, the poodle, the Japanese bridge, the tree and the street light. All the appliques were made using Sheepy's Maxi Sweet Treat cotton and a 1mm hook. The size of the panel is 31 centimetres wide by 46 centimetres high or 12 inches wide by 18 inches high. The size of the finished blanket is 98 centimetres wide by 112 centimetres high or 38.5 inches wide by 44 inches high. I made the centre panel of the blanket and then I positioned the appliques on the panel. I then cut out the river in paper to go across the panel and work the river to match the paper pattern. Next I crocheted rocks, grass and flowers in various colours. All of the appliques were hand stitched to the panel before I added the border around the panel and finished the blanket. That just made it easier to sew them all down. I'll add links to the baby blanket pattern below, as well as links to all of the appliques I've used. If you've liked my video, please like, subscribe and share. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and Patreon. The details are in the description below, along with the details of my website where I have all my patterns and the details of my Facebook group. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.